Today we are making Spanish omelette, one of the most iconic dishes of Spain. It's incredibly simple, just eggs, potatoes, and onions. It's absolutely delicious. My Spanish friend taught me this back in college, and today I am sharing all her secrets so you can make an authentic version right at home. Let's get cooking. Hey everyone, if you're my subscriber, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Bori and welcome. I need your support to get my channel to 1,000 subscribers. Therefore, please don't forget to subscribe now and thank you. To make this delicious recipe, you will need the following ingredients. 2 large size potatoes. Cut them into bite size. 1 medium-sized onion, cut it thinly. 1 green onion, also cut it thin. And 5 eggs. Now that all the ingredients prepared, let's begin cooking together. I preheat the pan on high heat. Now it's ready. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add onion. Add potato. We're going to cook this for 10 to 15 minutes until it's soft. Cover it up to speed up the cooking. The potato and the onions are ready. We're going to turn off the heat. Next, we are going to crack 5 eggs. Then add the potato and onion. Add some salt. About 1/3 of a teaspoon, black pepper, and mix it up. Add a little green onion. And we are going to cover this for 15 minutes. The 15 minutes time is up. We are going to pan fry this. The pan has been preheated and ready for oil. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Set the heat on low. Cook this about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. I know this recipe because a Spanish friend who taught me this recipe when we were in college. Since then, I've always enjoyed making this dish. And I want to share this with you, how to make it. Okay, now that the bottom is golden brown, we are going to flip this to the other side. Turn off the heat. Look at the color. It's beautiful. We're going to cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. The omelette is done. We're going to turn the heat off and transfer to the plate. Look at the result. Spanish omelette. The color looks amazing. Smells delicious. Let's cut it up. See what it's like. By the way, I want to add a little garnish. Look at the final result. Spanish omelette. Smells amazing. If this video helped you out, please share it with your families and friends and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next upload. I am excited to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.